Hello everyone. So in the last video we have seen and I mentioned ArgoCD is a uh, GitOps pool based tool. Okay, so the question is what is GitOps? Correct? What is GitOps? So GitOps you can see that okay it is Git operation. So basically you will be having a Git repository and that Git repository becomes a source of truth. Source of truth means whatever state or whatever resources you want to deploy it, the desired state will be maintained here. Desired state will be maintained in your Git repository. Okay. And when I say desired state is maintained in this repository, Argo CD will be monitoring this uh, definition in the Git repository. Okay. And then it will pull that changes if any changes happen. This will be the ultimate truth. Okay, they will accept this is the truth and this is the exactly what a change a customer want or maybe the administrator want in the Kubernetes environment. So this becomes the source of truth and that's where the GitOps comes in the picture. So under the GitOps, Git becomes the source of single source of truth and all the desired state will be maintained under the Git repository and Argo CD will be monitoring that Git repository for the changes. If any changes happen under the Git repository, Argo CD will pull these changes and implement in Kubernetes resource. Vice versa, if anything you go and manually change it here, Argo CD will again compare the changes. So changes which is current state. Okay. So any changes happen in the current state manually, Argo CD will go and revert it back because the definition is the desired state definition is maintained under the Git repository. So GitOps contains where the Git repository become the source of truth and where you will be maintaining your desired state definitions, what exactly you want to deploy it. That desired state definition will be under the Git repository and all the Argo CD based tools, they will be monitoring this thing for the definition for the resources. So if any changes happen on this end under the Git, then Argo CD will pull and implement it. But if any changes you do it manually in the current state, then Argo CD will go and take this change as a final change, take this definition as the final and revert it back. Okay, so any drift, manually drift also, Git becomes the source of truth. Okay, so basically under the GitOps, the IAC based tools, they will take Git repository as the declarative state and or desired state where you can say the definitions of your resources will be defined in a declarative YAML file and that definition will be read by Argo CD and provisioned in the Kubernetes environment. So GitOps is where the Git becomes the source of truth. Thank you everyone. Let's go and discuss the next session, how Argo CD works, how they are monitoring the things and all this thing. Thank you.